Hello friends, in today's tutorial I will show you how to crochet a baby hat for 1 year baby size. I am using this yarn, 5mm crochet hook, a cutter, a yarn needle for sewing and a button. So let's get started. First of all, wrap the yarn around the fingers like this to make a magic ring. Now with the help of crochet hook, start working into this magic ring. Make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, and after that wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, draw a loop from magic ring, pull the yarn through 2 loops and then pull the yarn through 2 loops. Again repeat the process and make a double crochet stitch into the magic ring. This is the third double crochet, then fourth double crochet, 5 double crochet, 6 double crochet, 7 double crochet, 8 double crochets, 9 double crochet, 10 double crochet, 11 double crochet. So make total of 11 double crochets into the magic ring. So I have made 11. Now pull the starting yarn to form a circle of double crochets. After that make a slip stitch into the very first double crochet stitch. Now the first round is completed. For the second one, again make 3 chains. Now into the same double crochet stitch where we have slip stitch, make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 right into this stitch. Now make double crochet 1 and double crochet 2 into the next stitch. Again make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into the next stitch, and again make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into the next stitch. So make 2 double crochets in every stitch. In the last you would have total of 22 double crochet stitches in the second round. Now make a slip stitch into the very first double crochet stitch. Second round is completed. Now make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3 and make increase in the first stitch. Make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 right into the same stitch. Now into the next one make 1 double crochet. Now into the next one make 2 double crochets, double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2. Into the next one make double crochet 1 and again into the next one make double crochet 2 times, double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2. Into the next one make double crochet 1, into the next one make double crochet 2 into the same stitch. So in this way you would make 2 1 2 1 2 1 and then 2 and repeat the process till the end of the round. So I have repeated the process till the end, and now make a slip stitch into the very first double crochet stitch. So that third round is completed now. For the fourth one again make 3 chains and into the very first stitch we would do an increase again. Make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into the same stitch. Now into the next one make double crochet 1 and into the next one make double crochet 1 and into the third one again make an increase, make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into the same stitch. Now into the next 2 stitches make 1 double crochet into each, and into the third one again make double crochet 2 times, which is an increase right here. So repeat the process till the end of the round, making 2 1 1 2 1 1 and then 2. So I have completed my fourth round. Now make a slip stitch into the first double crochet stitch right here. Again make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, and after 3 chains into the same stitch, which is the very first stitch, make an increase by making double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 right into the same stitch. Now make double crochet into next 3 stitches, and now into the fourth one we would do an increase again. So make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into the same stitch. Now into the next one make double crochet 1, into the next one make double crochet 2, into the next one make double crochet 3. So we have 3 double crochets in next 3 stitches, and into the fourth one we would do an increase again. So make 2 double crochets into this stitch. So we will do increase 3 simple stitches, increase 3 simple stitches, and then increase, and complete our round. So I have completed my round. Now make a slip stitch into the first double crochet stitch. Now make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3. Now into the same stitch make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2. Now into the next stitch make double crochet 1, into the next one make double crochet 1, into the next one make double crochet 1, and again into the next one make double crochet 1. So in next 4 stitches make 1 1 double crochets, and into the fifth one make an increase, make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into the same stitch. Now again make 4 double crochet stitches into the next 4 double crochet stitches of the previous round, and after that into the fifth one we will do an increase right here in this stitch. So make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into the same stitch. So make till the end of the round like this. Now make a slip stitch into the first double crochet stitch. It is almost of the 5's length, 5 inches. Now you would not make any increase. If you are using super saver yarn or any other type of yarn which is thick in size, then you can decrease the rows of increasing, but I am using a 3-ply cotton yarn, so I have increased in many rows. Now we would make a few rows of simple regular double crochets into each of the stitch across, and make a few rounds like this. So make few rounds according to your required length. So I have made 1 2 3 4 and then 5. I have made 5 rounds more. Now from here we would start working in chain manner. So make 3 chains. After that make 1 double crochet into the same stitch, make 1 double crochet into the next stitch, again make 1 double crochet into the next stitch, and again make 1 double crochet into the next stitch. So in this way make double crochet stitches like this at this place. This is the back side of our work. and right here we would make a change pattern of chains. So make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5, chain 6, chain 7, chain 8, chain 9, and then chain 10. And after these 10 chains we would skip 10 double crochet stitches from behind our work, and into the 11th one we would make a double crochet stitch. Now into the next stitches across we would make double crochet stitches till the end of the round. So this is the chain pattern. I have made double crochets till the last of the round. Now make a slip stitch into the first double crochet stitch, make 3 chains, and then start making double crochets till the next chain space, which is the 10 chain space right here. So I have made double crochets at this space. So now again make 10 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. And after 10 chains make a double crochet in the very first double crochet stitch, and then make double crochet into the next double crochet stitch, and in this way make double crochet stitches till the last, and make one round more of 10 chains like this. So then we would make our pattern. So now make a slip stitch into the very first double crochet stitch, cut the yarn. So this is our pattern. That was the back side, and in front side at one side of hat there will be a pattern of chains. Now cut the extra yarn strand with the help of cutter and weave this yarn end at the back side of your work with the help of yarn needle, or you can use crochet hook also. So I have woven the ends. Now I would add a button with the help of yarn needle. So cut some yarn strand and pull it through the yarn needle, and after that now we would attach button right into these 3 chains. So right into the middle, pull the yarn needle through the middle of these 3 chains like this, and now add button by pulling the yarn needle through the buttonhole, and now again repeat the process few times. Pull the yarn needle through 3 chain spaces, 3 chains, and then pull the yarn needle through buttonhole, and now repeat the process few times to secure your work, and then in this way you would add a button. Now take these 2 yarns at the back side and tightly make knots a few times, 2 to 3 times, to secure your work. And after that, with the help of crochet hook, first of all pull these two yarn ends through these chains and then cut it. Now cut this extra yarn strand too. So this is how you can make a crochet hat for your baby. This is for 1 year size. You can increase or decrease the rows to make it smaller or bigger. So if you like the video, please give it a huge thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching the video. Bye.